Most people get this wrong when using the Walmart Pharmacy app. They download it, sign in, and then only use a tiny fraction of what it can actually do. Here's the truth no one tells you. The app can save you time, help manage prescriptions, and make refills much easier if you know where to look. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to use the Walmart Pharmacy app in 2026, step by step. Whether you're using it for the first time or want to get more out of it, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Let's get straight to it. First, download the Walmart app and sign in to your Walmart account. If you don't have an account yet, create one using your email address and basic information. Once you're signed in, look for the pharmacy section inside the app. From there, you can connect your prescriptions. The app may ask for personal details to verify your identity. After verification, your eligible prescriptions will appear in your account. This is where you can view medication details, refill status, and pickup information. But here's the problem. Many users stop here and miss some of the most useful features. One of the biggest benefits is prescription refills. Instead of calling the pharmacy, simply select the medication and tap the refill option. The app will show available pickup times and status updates. This can save a lot of time, especially during busy weeks. Now, here's where it gets interesting. You can also receive notifications when prescriptions are ready. That means no guessing and no unnecessary trips to the store. For example, imagine Alex needs a monthly prescription. Instead of calling the pharmacy every month, he opens the app, submits a refill request in seconds, and gets notified when it's ready. In a minute, I'll show you one feature that many people overlook. The app can also help manage prescriptions for family members when available and properly linked. This makes it easier for parents or caregivers to stay organized from a single account. This is where most people fail. They forget to keep their contact information updated. If your phone number or email is outdated, you may miss important notifications about prescription status and pickup reminders. Another useful tip is checking pharmacy hours directly inside the app before visiting. Store hours can vary by location, so checking ahead can save you a wasted trip. To recap, download the app, sign in, connect your prescriptions, request refills, enable notifications, and check pharmacy information directly from your phone. These simple steps can make prescription management much easier. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more easy-to-follow Walmart tutorials and helpful tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.